Hi there, Adam Gower here. Thanks so much for joining me in this last of 20 episodes that cover real estate investing explained, graciously supported by the smallchange.com website. And you can find out more about this series if you go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change. Now, in this series, I have been explaining, as the title suggests, the basic concepts of investing in real estate. But one of the major shifts in the industry over the last few years is that for the first time, real estate developers, just like you, right? If you've got a good project and you're a professional developer, for the first time since 1933, and I won't go into the whole history of it in this short video, but since 1933, it was prohibited for you to go online and to market your project to anybody other than those people that you already knew. So for the first time, you are able essentially to advertise. You can use social media, you can go on websites like Small Change, you can post your project, and you can raise money from the crowd. Okay, so let's take a look at that opportunity here on the Small Change website. Here they have a section over here that says raise funds. When you click on that, there's a whole FAQ underneath there that explains the basic concepts behind how it works. And keep in mind that Small Change is technically a regulation crowdfunding funding portal. So that means that they are basically a marketplace that is allowed to present projects, real estate projects, to non-accredited investors as well as to accredited investors. So if you want to raise money from non-accredited investors in smaller amounts than you would probably raise from accredited investors, then you can take a look at this page and it will explain all the details for the Small Change website. It is really an extraordinary opportunity to be able to diversify your investor base and to expand the network of investors that you have, not just for today and for your projects today, but importantly, so that during the next downturn, you have the opportunity to tap into resources for capital, i.e. the crowd, that have never before been allowed. And what that means is that you're going to be able to capitalize on the inevitable flow of projects that come out of the next recession. In other words, distressed real estate, right? And you'll remember that during the last downturn, you had plenty of access to these opportunistic investments, but liquidity had dried up. Well, don't let that happen again. And today I'm going to point you in a slightly different direction than the rest of the series. To find out more about this, go to gowercrowd.com/podcast, where you will find a series of conversations that I've been having with the leaders, the wizards actually, of the social media and digital marketing world. And we discuss how real estate developers and sponsors like you can apply state-of-the-art social media and digital marketing methodology to raise capital in this brand new industry of capital formation online. So that's gowercrowd.com/podcast. And a final word of appreciation to Small Change for having supported this series on real estate investing explained, and for having let me use their wonderful website to find case studies so that you can understand better what is involved in real estate investing. And in fact, in this last episode, how to actually raise capital for your own deals online. Thanks so much for having joined me in this series. I am Dr. Adam Gower, signing off.